right, Steve, here's your big elevator here at Mall of America. We're gonna watch it come down.
This elevator's humongous. Look at it. Let's go over here and watch it level.
One, two. 2 seconds to level.
First one there wins.
Yeah.
Mall of America wins with this elevator. Set up 3. Let's listen to the other. About a second and a half. Epic win. But out of 1.
The reflex wins, control freaks.
Less than 2 seconds. Let's go up to 3 and we'll look at the reflex unit.
All right, I'll close the door and let's see if we can listen. Be my
friend, Mr. Security, close the door.
Yeah, you have to press the button first. Okay, we'll listen to it start up. Here we go. Impressive.
Steve, I love your elevator. Let's watch it out. We'll go out here and look. I'll show you the reflex unit.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it on top.
Let's watch the doors close. There it goes.
It's right over here. It's on the back. There it is.
Right there.
3.14. See it? First one there wins.
1. Oh, that was like 1 second. Call it back up. Go down.
There it is. There's the reflex.
All right, let's get a look at that reflex down there. Steve, sorry I can't zoom in on it, but that is your reflex unit. It's even got the sticker on it. So yeah, Steve, I have to tell you something. Your elevator here is epic.
It
What
is.
do you think?
I think it is too.
Best hydraulic elevator money can buy.
Yep. Don't you agree? Like every elevator needs that.
It's insanely fast.
Every elevator needs that. There it goes. Yeah.